Hello friends, welcome to EduPanther. Now this is the second part of the gravitation chapter for class 11th. In first part or in first lecture, we revise all the formulas of this chapter. So if you have not seen that lecture, please go to playlist or you can go to the description box where you will get link for that particular lecture. Okay, so let's start with MCQs of this gravitation. Now first MCQ is what? The value of the acceleration due to gravity is maximum at. So where will be the, you will get maximum acceleration due to gravity. Options are at the equator of the earth, at the center of the earth, at the pole of the earth, or slightly above the earth's surface. So basically see this option will be wrong because slightly above the earth's surface. So if you have revised that formula, that is GH 1 - 2h by r. So this formula explains that when you go above the earth's surface, the value of g decreases. So basically it will not get maximum, you will not get maximum value above the earth's surface. Second is what? At the equator. So equatorial point is this, and at the center वाला remove हो जाएगा because at the center value of g is always 0. value of g क्या हो जाएगी? 0 हो जाएगी. So for that equator and pole, we have this formula. See, formulas are very important. One, g dash is equal to g minus r omega square cos square phi or cos square theta. Theta is the angle or latitude. For a particular point, this is what my theta. So what will be the maximum value? Where you will get maximum value? So basically at equator you have phi as 0, so your g dash will be what? Cos 0 is 1, so g dash will be what? G minus r omega square. And at the pole theta, that is phi, is what? 90 degrees. So g dash, g cos 90 is 0, so g dash is exactly equal to g. So we can say that at pole we will get maximum value of the g. So answer will be what? C. Now move to the next numerical. That is the weight of the particle at the center of the earth is. Now is infinite, is 0, is same as that of the other places, greater than at a poles, So formula for g is what? See, weight, formula for weight is what? Basically mg. This is the mass of the object which remains constant at every point, whether you are at the center of the earth or exactly at the surface or in the space or on any other planet. Mass is an intrinsic property of the matter. It does not change from the outside. वहाँ से बाहर से change होने वाला नहीं है unless you break or add some extra mass. Okay. Now we know that at the center value of g is what? 0. See, we know this graph. Revision के time पे ये formula graph हमने draw किया था. So at the center, this is at the center. So at the center your g is 0. So definitely your weight will be 0. So at the center you will have 0 weight. Okay, what is weight? Weight is basically the gravitational force exerted by the earth on object. Now the gravitational potential due to the earth is minimum at. So we have to find out the gravitational potential and at what point it will be minimum. So options are at the center of the earth, at the surface of the earth, a point inside the earth but not at the center. So this is the earth. So this is the center. So except this center anywhere inside the earth. And last one is what? Infinite distance. So first of all, what is gravitational potential? Now potential is what? Ability to do the work, work करने की ability. So suppose you have an object and in our case it is basically earth and we want to find out its potential at a particular point. Means what? How much work can be done by the earth on a particular object. कोई मैंने एक ऑब्जेक्ट रख दिया, एक यूनिट मास रख दिया, तो उस यूनिट मास पे ये अर्थ कितना वर्क कर सकता है, वर्क कैसे करेगा, उसको अपनी तरफ अट्रैक्ट करके. So definitely as the object moves away from the earth, so the potential of that earth will decrease. मतलब क्या होगा? जिस पॉइंट की बात कर रहा हूँ, जिस पॉइंट पे पोटेंशियल निकालना है, अगर उसका डिस्टेंस बढ़ता जाएगा अर्थ के सरफेस से, तो डेफिनेटली क्या होगा? उसका जो पोटेंशियल होगा वो डिक्रीज होता जाएगा. पोटेंशियल उसकी जो वर्क करने की एबिलिटी है वो डिक्रीज होते जाएगी. फॉर्मूला फॉर पोटेंशियल इज व्हाट? दैट इज माइनस जी एम बाय आर. And exactly at this infinity it will be 0. ये small r है. At infinity it will be 0 because if the object is at infinity, so definitely earth उसके ऊपर कुछ work नहीं कर पाएगा, उसको अपनी तरफ attract नहीं कर पाएगा. So answer should be at infinite distance. Okay, and now the last MCQs. See the binding energy of a satellite. So binding energy of a satellite revolving around the planet in a circular orbit is given. See 3 into 10 raised to 9 joule. Always remember binding energy is always positive. What will be its kinetic energy? So if you have seen last lecture, so there we have discussed about the binding energy. So binding energy is nothing but it is the amount of energy required to remove the object from the earth field, earth gravitational field. And if the object is revolving in a particular at a particular height, so the formula is what? It is plus gmm by 2r, plus gmm by 2r, and this is nothing but basically total energy that, and with minus sign, gmm by 2r. So this is my total energy of that particular object. So if you give plus energy, exactly same value but plus, so that will be binding energy, and object will move from the earth field, okay, out of the earth gravitational field. So see, total energy is nothing but kinetic plus potential energy, and kinetic energy is what? Kinetic energy is from this formula gmm upon 2r, plus potential energy is what? Minus gmm upon r. So this is the potential and this is kinetic, and this part is what? Total. Now compare all these formulas. You have total energy, you have binding energy, you have kinetic energy and potential energy also. So binding energy is what? Plus gmm upon 2r, and kinetic energy is also gmm upon 2r. So we can say that kinetic energy and potential energy are exactly equal. ठीक है, उसकी जो वैल्यूज मिलेगी वो एक्जैक्टली इक्वल मिलेगी. सो वी हैव दिस पोटेंशियल एनर्जी एज 3 इंटू 10⁹ जूल. सो डेफिनेटली जो उसकी काइनेटिक एनर्जी होगी वो भी कितनी हो जाएगी? 3 इंटू 10⁹ जूल ही होगी. ओके, सो दैट्स इट फॉर दिस सेशन. वी हैव ओनली 4 MCQs, ऑल न्यूमेरिकल. जितने भी MCQs किए बेटा सारे के सारे कंसेप्ट वाइज थे, एक भी न्यूमेरिकल हम लोग को सॉल्व नहीं करना था. ठीक है, ओके. सो नेक्स्ट सेशन में आप इस सारे फॉर्मूलेस को, MCQs को रिवाइज करो. इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट यू कैन आस्क इन कमेंट सेक्शन. नेक्स्ट सेशन में क्या करेंगे हम लोग? इसके न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व करेंगे. थैंक यू.